Hi, hello, namaskar. Welcome back to my channel Teach with Sheetal. And today we take the exercises of above lesson. We solved all the questions. Let's solve it. First, choose the correct options. A joint family includes dash. A joint family includes our parents and close relatives. Joint family मध्ये कोण कोण असतं? Parents and close relative. Which of the following terms best describe a person who moves into a country to live there? Which of the following terms best describes a person who moves into a country to live there? असा पर्सन तो त्याच्याच कंट्रीमध्ये मूव करतो त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? इमिग्रंट. द पर्सन हू मूव्स इनटू अ कंट्री टू लिव्ह देअर इट्स कॉल्ड अ इमिग्रंट. Third number. Dash are people who escape from their own country to seek a safe shelter in another country. It's called a refugees. Refugee means असे people की जे शेल्टरसाठी एका कंट्रीमधून दुसऱ्या कंट्रीमध्ये आलेले असतात for to seek a safe shelter in another country. It's called a refugees. And answer of this filling the blanks is refugees. The B section of this exercise, write true or false. Migration means going from one place to another permanently. False. The meaning of this sentence is migration. मायग्रेशन म्हणजे स्थलांतर म्हणजे एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी परमनंटली कायमस्वरूपी जाणे. तर त्याचा आन्सर आहे false. It's not a migration. Migration means going from one place to another permanently. It's a false. A transfer means a change of a job. True. When a person takes a new job, it's called a transfer. And the answer of this true or false is true. Floods can make people homeless. True. Because of floods and because of the natural disasters or a natural because of the natural disasters people becomes homeless, and it's a true. Floods also make people homeless. It's a true. People may go to another country for higher education. True. हायर एज्युकेशनसाठी अनदर कंट्रीमध्ये पीपल जाऊ शकतात. इट्स अ ट्रू. पीपल हू मूव आउट ऑफ देअर नेटिव्ह कंट्री टू लिव्ह इन अनदर कंट्री आर कॉल्ड एमिग्रंट्स. ट्रू. पीपल हू मूव असे पीपल असे माणसं की ज्या शेजारच्या कंट्रीमध्ये राहण्यासाठी मूव्हिंग करतात याला एमिग्रंट्स म्हटलं जातं. पीपल हू मूव आउट ऑफ देअर नेटिव्ह कंट्री टू लिव्ह इन अनदर कंट्री आर कॉल्ड एमिग्रंट्स. इट्स अ ट्रू. Answer the following questions. What is a single parent family? What is meant by single parent family? And the answer is here. Single parent families are families in which only one parent, either mother or a father, brings up a child or a children. It's called a single parent family. Second question. Why do people move from one place to another? I told you in above lesson. People move. Why the people move from one place to another? There are many reasons, and the answer is for jobs, further studies, or making a new home after a marriage. All these the reasons of people to move from one place to another. Who are an immigrant? People who move out of their native country to live in another country are called immigrants. Who are immigrants? The people who move out of their native country to live in another country. They are immigrants. असे people की जे राहण्यासाठी शेजारच्या देशात जातात त्याला immigrants म्हटलं. Sorry. People who move into a country to live there are called. It's called immigrants. Who are immigrants? People who move into a country to live there are called immigrants. असे people की जे कंट्रीच्या कंट्रीमध्ये देशाच्या देशामध्ये मूव्हिंग करतात for living, it's called immigrants. And what is the and who are immigrants? Immigrants. Who are immigrants? People who move out of their native country. असे people की जे शेजारच्या कंट्रीमध्ये देशामध्ये मूव करतात for living in another country. It's called immigrants. Can you understand all exercises? If you have any problem, please ask any question in the comments. What is displacement? And the fifth question is, what is displacement? The situation in which people are forced to leave the place where they have been living is called displacement. अशी सिच्युएशन येते, परिस्थिती येते की जे माणसं तिथे राहतात त्यांना जबरदस्ती इतर ठिकाणी पाठवलं जातं, त्याला डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हटलं जातं. जबरदस्तीचं ते स्थलांतर होतं एक प्रकारे. द सिच्युएशन इन विच पीपल आर फोर्स टू लिव्ह द प्लेस, त्यांना त्यांची राहणारी प्लेस ही सोडावी लागते. वेअर दे हॅव बीन लिव्हिंग इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. स्वतःची लिव्हिंगची स्पेस सोडावी लागते. I used to live and the first live is L-E-A-V-E. It means सोडणे, एखादी जागा सोडणे. To leave some place, to leave a place. And this live L-I-V-I-N-G. This means राहणे, एखाद्या ठिकाणी राहणे. This is the meaning of this living is एखाद्या ठिकाणी राहणे and this live is एखादी ठिकाण सोडणे. The meaning of to live is different, but the pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. This live means सोडणे, जागा सोडणे, and this live means एखाद्या जागेवर राहणे. Who are refugees? And the 6th number question is, who are refugees? A person who escapes from his own or her own country for political, social or economic reasons is called a refugee. असे माणसं की एखाद्या पॉलिटिकल इश्यूसाठी, सोशल और इकॉनॉमिक कारणांसाठी त्यांना त्यांचा देश सोडावा लागतो, त्याला रिफ्युजी असं म्हटलं जातं. अ पर्सन हू इस्केप्स फ्रॉम हिज or her own country for political, social or economic reasons is called a refugee. And this is the all exercise. If you don't understand, please ask me in the comments if you have any problem. And the next day we learn second lesson. And then now bye.